Good afternoon, everyone. So in this video, we'll just see the important questions of Bsc Zoology Semester 1. So let us see the essay questions first. The first one is life cycle of Elphidium, then locomotion in protozoa, reproduction in protozoa, any 4 protozoan diseases, canal system in sponges, reproduction in cycon, polymorphism in Cnidaria, corals and coral reef formation, cystosoma structure and life cycle, trachancular structure and life cycle, parasitic adaptation of helminths, digestive system of leech, circulatory system of leech, excretory system of leech, reproductive system of leech, metamerism, coelom and coelomoducts, appendages of prawn, respiratory system of prawn, crustacean larvae, insect metamorphosis, peripater structure and affinities, digestive system of phyla, nervous system and respiratory system of phyla, then pearl formation, torsion and detorsion, and water vascular system in starfish and echinoderm larvae and significance. So these are the most important essay questions. Now let us see the important short answer questions. So the first question is difference between megalospheric and microspheric forms of Elphidium, types of pseudopodia, types of flagella, difference between flagella and cilium, any 4 protozoan parasites and diseases, spicules in sponges, metamerism, coelom and coelomoducts, hirudin, larval forms of crustacean, radula, torsion and detorsion, tube feet, cephalopod characters, polychaeta and holothuroidea characters. So these are the important short answer questions for Bsc Zoology Semester 1.